Hello guys, this is a quick video to show you how to access the hob in the Hotpoint EW81 oven. There are a number of screws that you need to unfasten. There are 6 here, 2 on the left, 2 on the right and 2 at the back. You can see a close-up of the 2 at the back here, and then the 2 on the right side here. Just make sure that you keep these in the right order. One is a different length to the other. When you've unscrewed those screws as well, you can remove the handles for each of the knobs and also pull out the buttons for the control panel. You need to remove all those. Once you've removed all those, the hob itself should just lift straight up, although if it's been used for quite a while, that can be quite difficult and you might need to prise it up. But then you get access to the inside part. We still can't access the front panel yet. There are a few more screws, 2 at either side, 1 at either side. And then a further 2 if you open the grill door underneath the panel, so you have another 2 there as well. And once those are off, the panel should just pull straight out forward, and you then have access to all the dials. As you'll be able to see, each of the dials there, they come off straight off as well, but just take care to note the order that they're in because they overlap each other, so you just need to be careful there. And if you're accessing the regulators underneath, there are a couple of screws then to take out for the regulator. Thanks for watching.